Bad petrol or gasoline fuel injectors can cause a range of engine performance issues. Here are the most common symptoms of faulty or clogged fuel injectors. 1. Rough idling. Bad petrol injector can cause disturbed combustion inside one or more cylinder. You could see the engine idling erratically or seem like it's about to stall, especially at stoplights. 2. Poor fuel economy. Clogged or leaking petrol injectors can disrupt the air-fuel ratio, causing the engine to mistakenly use and waste more fuel than necessary. 3. Engine misfires. A faulty petrol fuel injector can cause one or more cylinders to not burn fuel properly. You may experience inconsistent or uneven engine performance, that is, jerking, shaking, hesitation, or stuttering whenever you try to accelerate. 4. Starting issues. A malfunctioning petrol injector can cause difficulty in starting the car or requiring multiple attempts, especially when the engine is cold. 5. Check engine light. Faulty petrol injectors can trigger a diagnostic trouble code, which will illuminate the check engine light. Codes like P0300, random or multiple misfire, or P0200, injector circuit malfunction, are common. 6. Loss of power. A bad petrol injector can cause multiple misfires, which further cause reduced engine response when accelerating, especially under load. Example, going uphill or towing. 7. Fuel odor. A leaking petrol injector can cause raw fuel to escape the cylinder without burning properly. You may experience intense fuel smell around the engine bay or exhaust. 8. Black smoke from exhaust. Overfueling due to a stuck-open petrol injector can cause excessive fuel to burn incompletely, leading to black smoke from exhaust.